Good morning, Facebook, YouTube. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning. We're back on the job site today. We are back in Taft, California. This is the second day on this house cleaning. So I'm going to go in here and going to kind of walk you through, show you what we've accomplished so far. Kind of got equipment and everything kind of scattered all over the place. So what we've done, we've came through here, we wiped down all of these bookshelves, cleaned out the fireplace, polished up the glass, detailed the brick, got both of these bookshelves on both sides. They were pretty dusty. All of the walls have been washed, coming out really nice. The homeowner came this morning, opened the door for us and left by the time we got here. He had to go somewhere and take care of some business. So we've gotten all the windows been done. We took the screens off. We we dusted those off. Actually, we swept all the dust off of them and put them back in. We've cleaned out all the dirt in the window tracks. In the previous video, these window tracks were covered with dust inside of them and dead bugs, spider webs, all of that stuff. So we took a crack and a crevice tool, using our vacuum cleaner and a brush, brushed out everything, and then we took a liquid, after we sucked it out with the vacuum, we took a liquid, sprayed it, cleaned it out thoroughly, made it look really nice. Took care of this window over here. This window track was really covered in dust and trash was in there. We cleaned that out. Billy has cleaned the windows. He did an excellent job on these windows. The homeowner is going to be very happy when they return. All the walls have been washed. I think they may be going to come in and paint after we're done. And we still have our equipment all over the place because this is our second day back. And once our homeowner come back, we're going to walk him through and show him what we've done. So all of these light covers, we did all the light covers. Went up here, had my guy clean all the vents. He wiped all those vents out, cleaned all the dust out of there. Over here in the kitchen, he cleaned this vent, got it all cleaned out up there. Over here now in the kitchen, we're going to polish this wood with some Old English. We've gotten off as much grease as we can get off, and it was pretty heavy in here. So we're going to use that Murphy's oil soap on the wood, and then we're going to use some of the Old English liquid soap. I mean, not liquid, but the oil, Old English liquid. We're going to hit that. He's detailing the stove out right now. Everything is looking real good. Looking real good. We've got all the ceiling fans. We got this vent. Got all the dead bugs out of the light. Got the ceiling fans. Cleaned every ceiling fan. We've washed all the walls, the doors, the house. Inside here we got all the baseboard. Got all the dead bugs and all the trash from around the edges of the wall. This window has been cleaned, rained since we left and came back. This window track has got all the dead bugs out of there. Cleaned them out thoroughly. This room over here, we've washed all the walls inside here. We've cleaned the window tracks. I mean, everything is going as we had anticipated. Cleaned all the dead bugs out of the window track, and they were really bad. Got all the dust out. That's what we told the homeowner we were going to do. We got all that done. Gonna go over here to the bathrooms. Last thing we're gonna do is clean the carpet. We got the windows in here, the window tracks, clean the ceiling fans, clean the lights covers that was on the ceiling fan, washed all the walls in here. Same in this bedroom. We washed all the walls. We went inside the closets, cleaned the walls in there, the doors, the ceiling fans, all the light covers been cleaned. Went inside the cabinet, cleaned it up, polished it with Old English, smelling nice, looking nice. This bathroom has been cleaned with the exception of the floors being swept and mopped. We put Old English furniture on that cabinet right there. Came out real good. Man, it's looking really nice. So we got a lot accomplished yesterday. This room was pretty dusty. We got all the walls washed, the windows, and everything. And so I'm in here in the back bathroom, finishing detailing it up, and it's going to look real nice. And the customer is going to come back shortly and take a look at it. See you in the next one.